Yes. 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 I guess we should have read the camp booklet and seen what was going on this week. We saw this helicopter buzzing over a few times and they came and landed, but we didn't know it was happening, but apparently most of the people did. Kids, guess what we're doing?
What? A big eel.
We're going across the old man.
Oh.
The old miss.
Where's the old man?
Look at her. The mighty Mississippi. Gateway to the west. Look at the smile on her face. She's so excited to be at the world's
Can I unbuckle?
America's largest truck stop. Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. cars look like ants.
What?
The cars are so far away, they look like ants.
No, they don't look like ants.
According to my breathing, we're at about 30,000 feet right now. Most people would need an oxygen mask at this height, but we're doing pretty good.
The first one? Yeah. Little or female.
Is it chipmunk?
You see him?
Yeah.
Mm.
He looks camouflage.
No, Nora.
He looks why does he look like a rock, Mommy, to me?
$1 million view. Oh man, that's awesome.
Maybe we could make a snow angel boss, can't we?
Oh, you can make a snow angel if you want.
No,
You want to?
it's super cold.
You could still do it if you want. He's catching snow on his tongue.
It's like colder here than it was up there.
Oh, you want up? So far, Rocky Mountain National Park is pretty amazing. We are way up high right now. It's actually snowing right now. There's a few places that are closed because of the wildfires from last summer. So one thing, you have to go online before you come here if you're going between May and September of 2021. You have to go on and buy a pass for what time you want to come to the park. I'm not really sure why they're doing that, but they are. So make sure you do that if you want to be guaranteed to get into the park. This place is gigantic, so there's tons of stuff to see, a ton of trails if you like to hike, of all different levels of difficulty. We're trying to find an easy one to do. Ah, this is amazing. Right, Riggs?
Right.
It's so peaceful and quiet here. Yeah. This is where the trail led us to. Pretty cool. I was hoping we'd be up, like up on that for a view, but it's still quite cool. We have a lot of different kinds of rock mixed in here.
Look at Daddy, look at this. That's cool.
That is a cool rock.
Cute.
All right, we just got back to the car after that hike. What did everybody think? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yes.
There was a lot of whining and complaining. We didn't realize it was going to be mostly through snow. Weren't exactly dressed for snow. It was a nice view. It was really pretty. Like the entire hike is pretty cool view. The end point kind of nothing spectacular. Like the main trail is probably better views, but yeah, I would do it again. It was cool. It's the first time I've ever seen a moose in the wild. getting ready for Sarah's brother's wedding. We had to stay at a hotel. The kids were super excited about that. Ezra and Reagan were in the wedding.
Whoa!
They were the ring bearer and flower girl. So they're all dressed up and happy. Looking sharp, bud. The 3?
Sweet.
There you go.
Woo!